Being cool used to be so easy. I used to be so cool, my dimples would frost over. But take it from me, nobody stays cool forever. Over the years, I've tried everything. I tried cold yoga. I tried ice yoga. I made all my t-shirts into tanks and my tuxedos into tanksedos. Even jogging in slow-mo, which honestly isn't as cool as it looks. I even thought about shaving my head. Nah. And of course I've tried air conditioners, but even this old AC couldn't keep us cool. It all seemed hopeless until I discovered Midea U. An AC upgrade? I didn't think it could be done, but look. Now that's cool. Now I'm as cool as ever. No more fanny packs full of ice packs for me. Midea U, an upgraded AC for cool people and other people. AC upgrade, Midea U, yeah. But mostly cool people. Smart, cool people. Well, cool people who get hot. People who are cool, but quiet about it. Yeah, AC upgrade. Hot people who are cool on the inside.
Video Shopping Network. An Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product previews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.